Hey, let me ask you like a question though.
Ask away, genius.
You lot fight in front of your partner?
Ever since man I got started, man I just known that man I been cold. Yo, ever since man I been posted, them youths never did come on this road. Yo.
Again, 10 PCs, bruv. Who's bruv?
Why are you always complaining, man?
10 PCs, bruv. Where are these guys?
Any bres?
I know.
Oh, they say we're in a recession. How all these people got gaming PCs, bro? Fuck off, man. This is a joke.
I'm not gonna lie, it's more expensive to maintain a console these days. Games are expensive now. Like all those games like Ghost of Tsushima and Wukong and all that, man, and all that.
Oh, as soon as I beat, I trade it in
for free, fam.
I'll get them games, spend so much on them, and the next thing you know, you have to trade it. Yeah, once you complete it, then nothing else to do.
Yeah, true, but I just get that for free.
What was I about to say to you? You watching the fight this weekend?
AJ versus my man.
Yeah. YouTuber.
What's his name? Jake Paul. Yeah, I reckon Jake Paul's gonna fist him up.
He does. We're in the money, brother.
I reckon he's gonna.
We're in the green.
Spun.
So embarrassing.
Right, I was watching. Everyone keeps saying, "I don't be watching those sparring videos and those." You get me? I was watching one to, you feel me, and I was like, "Hey, AJ's never looked like that, you know. He's never looked as raw." Nah, I'm saying Jake Paul. He was hitting the bags kind of clean, and I said,
"Oh yeah,
AJ's not looked that slick before in his life.
AJ's not hit bags like that before.
Nah, he's a brute." Brute force.
He's on this Donkey Kong thing.
Donkey Kong thing.
Hey, be careful, bro. I'm recording.
Nah,
I'm
Blizzak.
I don't know who's listening to these things these days. Can't say, you feel me? No, I'm joking. But yeah, he's just pure strength, half strength as well.
That's that real strength, unfiltered.
No, but that should be a good fight. I say it should be a good fight. It should be interesting to watch, but Jake Paul better smoke him. He has to.
I'm just gonna watch it.
Has Jake Paul won a fight ever?
Yeah, he punched up Mike T. That's what I read on BBC Sport anyway.
That's hilarious. Is that what they said?
I don't know. Is that what happened? I don't know, bro.
I don't even know. I can't even remember. I just know it was a joke thing. There was a little clip where Tyson could have like hit him with a
cleanest.
And he pulled out, and I was like, nah.
He was like, nah, I need that coin.
Yeah.
If I dead him, I ain't getting those. I ain't getting that green back.
Well, Mayweather meant to do one of them, man. One of them ones. Charity thing. Not charity thing. What are they called? Exhibition thing.
Money makers.
That's how we got to
money
50.
Makers, fam.
Who did he fight?
I remember who. You have to Google that one.
Conor McGrizzle.
Oh yeah, that's it.
That was it. Wait, we're getting.
Yeah, we are. We're getting chopped up and changed.
I might have to change wizards now.
Oh, it's because of their PC. These guys are PC guys. It's because they got PC.
Oh, should be, bro.
Let's see.
Look at Reaper, bro. 3 in the time zone, bro. I've got 90 seconds and this one's got 3, bro. What's he doing, bro?
What are you talking about?
Don't worry about me, bro.
So I said, what's the point of playing hard point, man? I'm not gonna do it right.
Cerebral. Wait, let me ask you like a question though.
Ask away, genius.
You lot fight in front of your partner?
Yeah, I've been doing it just a second ago now.
Come on, bro. I'd drop the damn thing anywhere, bruv.
Are they allowed to fight in front of you?
Yeah.
Of course. Comfy, brother.
Right, what about going to the toilet? You'll have to be in the same room.
Oh, no, that's just, I wouldn't do that with anyone. That's a whole different level, brother.
I do that to annoy her, though. She don't like it, but I do it for the banner, innit? She's like, get out, brother. You said this thing smells like flowers.
What about the other way around?
I'm trying to confirm it. Yeah, I don't care, bro. For me, if you want to stand in there while I'm doing my thing, but
number 1 or number 2? Is there any limits?
Any.
I know you're too.
Honestly. It's
Said edgy.
my house. I drop it in any toilet. Oh, sugar. Drop the trophies. I think, have you got trophies? Oh, I forgot you're that
think
guy.
so. I think I got one, two
Come here.
trophenios. Yeah, trophy one. Ooh, two. You got 2 trophies on this.
Come on, things.
That
Haven't you got the
is-
perk greedy?
How
That perk's
greedy.
sick, you know. Man said you can have an extra perk. Perk
Yeah.
greed, you know. Tasty. I want even lizard.
Nah, so you lot are sick. So anything goes. Number 1, number 2.
Not me, brother.
I'm that guy. It's my house, isn't it?
Where do you draw the line? So you can
I
fart,
can't.
but no
If
number
I can't do
twos.
the damn thing
I
in my
hear
house, where can I do it? Do you know what I mean? No, on the real.
Oh, that's true. But they say, I don't know who they.
I
I
know
don't know who they
relationships
are.
and them man there in it last longer than that thing.
I
Them
was
boys
gonna say
there,
I
fam.
don't know who they are, but they say
Same
something
users that
about
don't want us to win.
certain should maintain certain modesties around. You feel me? Like, what about eating with your mouth open at dinner?
Things. You know the answer to that question. Me.
I'm not gonna lie. That's
I told
where
them,
I
man them
draw
off.
the line. You know, I think that's where I draw the line. You can do all that other stuff. Ideally, not. But if you eat with
Just
your
eat with your mouth
open,
closed.
that's
Divorce papers, serve them.
Trust me.
Oh, every single other person's gone stronger than mine.
Oh, those ones.
That's something
Nah,
to do with
man.
me.
Them ones are crazy.
Everybody's gun is stronger than mine. That's mad. Not even there's a guy with one gun that's strong. Everyone's gun. That's
What's this Maddox gun, bruv? That's been chopping me down, bro.
mad. That means the data is clean on that. What do you know about data cleansing? And I went through the whole script and found 0 anomalies from everyone's gun.
Do you know SQL now properly?
Me, I'm a genius. Do you know what it is? Yeah, I'll be honest. Yeah, the stuff that I don't know, it's like I don't even have to know it now, man.
Don't even know what that means. Hey, put that backpack down, you joker.
You try? Yeah, my God, I'll cover you.
Cover the boy.
Cheers. What did you get?
Some dickhead thing, scout post.
Oh, that's young.
Look at this, 185. Watch you lot on your double digit thing.
What are you chatting about, my brother?
It's a team effort.
Time.
Brother.
What's the point of doing this?
Someone needs to do it. Oh, I got trapped. I'm not gonna lie, I've been playing. Nice one. Wait, so that are you?
I know.
That was tough.
Because I thought we were doing a hard point thing. Never again, bro. Fuck hard point. Take it off, bro.
Nah, hard point is a certain thing.
No,
You just gotta
yeah.
persevere, Matthew, honestly. You're
Bro, these guys are
improving.
using bots, bro. Look how clean. You don't get that clean on aiming, bro, on PlayStation.
You
do,
do,
bro.
man. You need to sort out your thumbs.
Sort out your thumbs. What gun do you use?
Different ones.
It doesn't matter. Everyone's got
Different ones.
M15.
Point answer.
Everyone's got
Different
stronger than
ones.
his.
Crazy.
Take off hard point, man. Do another thing, man. We can't always be hard point.
It's not. It's It's
Bro, that's not random, bro. That's 2
It
times
is.
I played hard point, man. Take me off that, man.
Our point is
If
like,
the next one, is a hard point, then we'll hop out the thing. I think make a Dravec 45 classed.
Bro, this
SMG.
bear is ranked 77.
SMG.
Why are we playing with someone that's 77?
why are you
bro?
complaining? He's any guy.
The speed 77. What the fuck is that?
On my
spin it
Remember
up.
this map, things. Remember this map.
I do, but I can't remember the act.
When you
I do
start running
remember it.
around,
Yeah,
you'll know.
yeah,
No, when
yeah.
you start running around, you'll know instantly. It's a
Yeah,
tasty Wayne.
It feels for meals. Am I capping? No way did I
When are they
lose
gonna-
that. Lucifer in the morning.
Nah, that Lucifer job.
I'm gonna take you out of loose.
Donnie's in and around our
Lucy, you know.
spawn. We're in trouble.
Who's we? We is French.
Me, sorry, I'm in trouble.
That
What's
sounds a
those
bit-
things?
That sounds a bit
Oh,
promiscuous.
this breast slapped me. Yummy, you know. He's moving wicked with this thing.
Brother, you run the way, let me get grenaded.
Run
Oh,
the
yeah.
way.
Crazy. Man the way, you know.
Run. I ain't heard that since primary school.
Alright, run away, man. Chill. Jesus Christ, Jesus. Yes. Fucking hell. That's one spreadsheet. And then that's it. He knows it all now. Fucking alright, Excel. Jesus Christ.
I'm a
A
professional
one
now.
SQL, you know. Come
Hey,
here.
PowerPoint suit. I mean, PowerPoint.
Yeah, I'm saying PowerPoint.
Look at you, look at you.
Yeah, I told you.
That's funny. PowerPoint soon indeed, bro. I'm not gonna lie. New shape PowerPoint is different.
New shape.
Learn Figma next.
Fig. That's app building, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to do that still. Can I share
Not this
this?
current me.
Don't
Oh my
blame
days.
God.
No.
What? Don't blame God.
Don't blame God.
Is that a pre-record? No way. I thought you just done it. Inline thing. Inline, don't blame God, you know. Crazy. Nah, you know what it is? It don't sound like you're in the studio, innit? So I don't
Does it
like
not?
it. Nah.
Let me tweak it. I'll tweak
Sounds
it.
like you're in a Discord chat.
Just sounds
I want
too
the studio quality.
fair. That's what the fans asked for.
What was it?
True. That's what they pay for.
These guys are fucking bangouts.
This is funny.
That was the inspiration, innit, things? You know,
How
my
that
man,
guy killed everyone.
Chris Smooth, innit?
I can defend B and C at the same time. Why not wait on a noob? Chris Smooth is waiting on a noob. Waiting on a noob. Look at that. He tried something different this time, but it still didn't work. Ha ha. Ha ha.
Smooth, innit? What an absolute legend, man.
Yeah, he's
When
too
he
sick,
retired, it was a sad day, you know.
you know. You know he's not retired. Well, I don't know.
I know, he
actually,
does
but
like boxing.
what got you,
This
what got
breath
you?
shot me through the wall on a thermal thing.
Yes.
Oh my days.
I'm not gonna lie, I haven't really been concentrating because I've been on other stuff. But don't let me get serious.
I beg you get serious. At least in the next one, G.
The next game.
Yeah, man, put the trophies on and get, you feel me? I ain't got long left.
Don't say it like that, my bro.
Yeah, not like that. I mean, who knows? It's in the hands of the Lord, fam. It's in the hands of the Lord. But that's not what I meant.
Don't blame God.
You know who it is? That's just chopping.
Who?
It's this brother
This is
Yami.
fake, bro. Sorry.
This is fake.
The
Fake
man
use
I
of
remember,
that.
I remember
jumps.
those.
I just saw him just now. He just started spinning, but I chopped him up. Pause.
I don't know about all
Not
that, but
positive.
yeah.
Oh, he's up there. Spin him out, no scope. Crazy.
Yeah. Did he get
You're
you
one of
as
those
well?
recipients. Don't be silly. How am I you?
Nah, let me see what this guy did.
You gonna tell me he's cheating as well, things, yeah?
Nah, I
But
don't
it's
get
like
to see
Eunice.
the. Never get to see the reels.
Yeah, we got worked.
Bro, I don't care if they're cheating.
Yeah, neither do I, to be fair.
Hope-
I'm
I
a
hope
cheater
they're
as well.
cheating.
I'm a cheater as well, according to some recipients. Message me like, nah, you're cheating, you're a bot. I'm like, me. That was the old me.
Look, see all this movement. PC.
That's young.
This is young
bro.
movement.
PC, man.
Kill it. Every single time I did it with a new style and lyric. Never been shy, like I just like to mind my business. Step the dough, pile and triple. Them I love chat, but they don't really know about sinning. Mothers and church bells singing. If they see that, then they will never one claim villain. We think the shit you're spitting. Yeah.
Wait, let me ask you like a question though.
Ask away, G genius.
You lot fight in front of your partner?